Hello and welcome to my channel. What I'm going to do today is a very quick tutorial just showing you how you can download the fonts to use in these PowerPoint games. What we'll do first is we'll go to the Google Drive link where you can actually download the game. Here we go. On the left here is the actual PowerPoint file and on the right are the fonts. Just right click on the fonts, hit download. As you can see, it downloads a zip folder. Just click on the small arrow to open the menu and then go to show in folder. As you can see, it's gone into my downloads. If I right click on that zip file, I have a couple of choices here. Some of you might want to use WinZip, in which case you can just click unzip to. I actually use a different program, 7-Zip, and what I'm going to do is click on extract files. It's asking me where I want to extract the files to. I'm just going to keep them in my downloads, so let's click OK. And as you can see, it's moved the font file into my downloads. Let's open that folder. And as you can see, in that folder are two files for two different fonts. If we double click and open them, you'll see what the font looks like, and then there is also an install button. Hit the install button and it will install into your Microsoft Office. I hope that's helpful, and if you're interested in downloading any of these games, please check out my videos and also hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.